All right, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create matching heading styles across your Google documents, right? So you have a couple of headings you want to style for any document you're creating, and let's get right into it. So, right, we're going to start with creating like a uniform H1 heading across board, right? So, let's say for instance, you want to be able to style your headings like this across the document across your document. So let's just get right into that. So this is a blank document, right? So all you need to do is first of all highlight the text you want to be able to style, which in this case is a heading. So I'm just going to move this back to normal text. So the normal text right now, and you want to make it a heading, right? So we're just going to apply H1 to this for a start. So this is a H1 um, text right now. So that means it's a heading, right? So we want to go ahead to style it, right? So what you need to do is to click on format, you click on paragraph styles, and we're going to click on border and shading. All right. So what you can do here is we're going to try to just add a border to it, to make it look good. So we're going to click on top border, and then we're going to be also using left border, right? And then we want to add like a border color here, which we can use something, say we can use this, a dark blue for this, and then we add a light shade background for this. All right, so this is what our color is going to be like. I think this should look good, so we're just going to click on apply. All right, so this is it. So we're also going to be changing the font. So let's say we change the font to Lato. I kind of like Lato, or we can maybe change it to Legend, whichever, right? Okay, yeah, this looks good. So I want to also maybe reduce the font size a bit. Yes, this looks good. So this is what we've created for our H1. So we want to come here and then we want to click on update H1 to match. All right, so once you've done that, so we can now go ahead and create another heading for H1, right? So let's say you write a couple of texts here, a couple of texts here, and then you want to go down to create another heading. So creating another heading. So I'm going to just say I'm creating that heading here. So once you highlight this to create another heading, you click on the text style drop down again and you click on heading 1. So you find that once you click on heading 1, this same style has been applied for you. So same way it is with this other heading, same way, using the same font size, using the same style that has been created. So that's it. So you can duplicate and replicate this as much as you want to. So another that's it for H1. So let's go ahead and create a H2 style as well. So we're just going to call this H2 style here. So all you need to do is same process. We highlight the text, we click on style option, and then we click on H2. All right, so then you go to format and then you click on paragraph and style, borders and shading. And let's say for this we don't want to add a border, we're just going to be using background color, and let's use this shade of background color. And I think every other thing is good, no need for border, so the border width will be 0. We are not selecting a border dash, and we're just going to apply this. So you can see this shade here. So what we want to do for H2, probably want to add a bold, but we want the font size to be a lot smaller. So we can do this as 14, and then we also want to use the Legend font size that we have been using before now. So as you can see, we have styled our H2. We come here and then we click on apply H2 heading, and then update H2 heading to match. All right. So once that is done, just if you want to replicate it, you can do this again, H2 style. So same process. All you need to do is to select the text, click on the drop down, click on H2, and as you can see, that style you set has been applied for you. Now, if you're thinking of updating the style that you have already designed, all you need to do is highlight. Now, if you're thinking of updating the style you've already styled, all you need to do is highlight any of the headings that you have styled previously, and then you can go back and probably change the style of this. So let's go to borders and shading again, and we want to change this to perhaps um this color, whitish rose, and then we click on apply. So what you now need to do is go back to H2, and then you click on update H2 to match. So you can see now across your document, the styles will match across both. So that is how to create matching heading styles across your document. You can do this for H1, H2, text. You can also do this for your normal text as well, and you would be able to style your document easily and faster. All right, I hope that helped you. If you liked this sort of video, please don't forget to click subscribe and like it, and please share with your friends. Cheers.